In question 10 and 11, we have to find the median of each set of values. So in question 10, the pupils in class 7G gathered this information about themselves. Find the median number of children per family. Let's understand the table first. There's a number of children in each family here. So 1 child in a family, 2 children in a family, 3 children in a family, and so on. Frequency means how many. So 8 means there's 8 families that have 1 child. 12 means there are 12 families that have 2 children, and so on. Now to find the median, we need to know, well, where is the middle? How many values are there so we know which one the middle is going to be? There are 8 values and another 12, which are 20 values, 24 values, 26 values. If you numbered out from 1 to 26, the middle number, you'd have to add 1 and divide by 2 to find the middle number. That would give you 13.5. So the middle value is going to be the 13.5. So basically what I mean is, if you went from 1 to the 3rd value, the 4th value, the 5th value, and so on, right up until the 25th value, 26th value, the middle is going to be the 13.5 value. And the way you do that, find that middle one, is get the number of values, add 1, and divide by 2. Now we need to know where is the 13.5 value. The first 8 values are are families with 1 child. So if you're doing it out in order, you'd have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's the first 8 families. The next 12 are going to be in the second group. So this one's going to be, the 2 is going to be the 9th value, the 10th value, the 11th, the 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, and so on. There's going to be 12 of those 2's. I'm going to stop, however, because I need to only go and find where the 13.5 is. So there's 8 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then the 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, and 14th. So if the 13th and 14th family is in this group here, then the 13.5th family will also be in that group, which means the answer is that the median is in this group here, and that group represents a median number of children of 2. Joshua tossed 3 coins several times and recorded the number of heads that showed at each toss. His results are shown in the table. Find the median number of heads per toss. So let's again understand the table. We've got the number of heads obtained when 3 coins are tossed, so getting no heads when you do it 3 times, getting 1 head when you do it 3 times, and so on. And frequency is how many times that occurred. So there were 9 times that they tossed the 3 coins and got no heads. There were 7 times they tossed the 3 coins and got 1 head, and so on. So we need to find out what's the median value. Is it 0, 1, 2, and 3? Which group is the median in? Well, how many values are there, first of all? We've got 9 plus 7 plus 16 plus 3, which is 35. So 35 values. If we add 1 and divide by 2, that will tell us where the middle value is, which gives you 36 divided by 2, which is 18. So what have I just done there? Basically, if there were 35 values going from 1 to 2 to 3 to 4, right up until the very end of 34, 35, and 36, the middle one is going to be the 18th. And I found that out by adding 1 to the total number and dividing by 2. So where's the 18th value? Well, the first 9 are in the group 0, so there would be 9 zeros. If you're ordering these from smallest to biggest, you'd have 9 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You would then have 7 ones, which would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. But let's just see if we've got 18 values, have we already? We've got 9 here, and then our 7. 9 and 7 is 16, so that would be the 16th value. So we haven't actually got to the 18th yet. The 18th must be later on. So there's going to be 16 2s. So you have 2 and 2 and 2 and 2 and 2, and so on and so on. We only want to get to the 18th. There's 9 here and 7 here, which is 16. Then the 17th will be in here, and the 18th will be in here as well. So there's the 18th value, and it is a 2. So again, the median is 2, because that's what group it is in.